Okay, this is the training video for Spark2. So you're going to find this assignment here, week 29. And it's right there. Click on that. When you're done with it, you're going to be submitting it up here like Andy did. Thank you, Andy. And so basically it's 5 slides. We're going to make a slideshow video in Adobe Spark. So you're going to have an introduction slide. These are things I like. You just pick 3 things that you like. I know you like more than 3 things, but just 3 things that I like. Introduction slide, thing I like 1, thing I like 2, thing I like 2, 3, and then a conclusion slide, which I want you to actually put your portrait trace on it. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to go over here too, and I'm going to go fast. So remember, pause, rewind, and fast forward as you need. You need to be using this video alongside of you doing the project as well, or the assignment as well. Okay, so you need to watch it a little bit, pause it, do that, come back, rewind if you need to be reminded, whatever you got to do, right? Okay, here we go. So we're going to go to class link and click on Adobe Spark, and it may or may not log you in. So here. Okay, so you want to click here, log in with Adobe ID. Log in with Adobe ID. You can also go over here, since you do have a school account, right, tied in with your Adobe ID. Let's try that. Let's go here and put that in. And yeah, it's gonna be the same thing. So you're gonna put your email address, your ClassLink email address, your 201, whatever, blah 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 at pusdschools.net. There, click continue. Then you want company or school account, and that should get you in there. If you've logged in on your Chromebook before, it probably is not going to ask you for the password like that. Good. All right, so we're going right into Spark here. Adobe Sparky Yarky. Slowly but surely, it's coming on board. Let's see. Yes. All right, so we want slideshow. Slideshow right here. Click slideshow. We want to skip this. We want to start from scratch. And okay, I'm ready. Click that. Now for the credits, just click here, go to the 3 dots and say hide credits. I don't want you to put credits in on this one. All right, so right now we have 1 slide and we can put a video on it, text, photo, or icon. Also up here we have layout, theme, resize, and music. Once I'm done with the video, I'll show you the music link. I'll show you some of these other ones as well. But for the most part, I'm just going to use the default layout, okay, and theme. So I'm going to start with text, and I'm going to put things I like by Mr. Jaffe, okay? And I'm going to click I'm going to do a little voiceover. That's what this is for, so I can do a little narration through my quick slideshow. And the default time is 2 seconds otherwise for the slide. This shows you how long the slide shows for, but you could change it based on how long you talk. So here we go. I'm going to click and hold the microphone. Okay. Hi, Mr. Jaffe, and I like a lot of things, but here are 3 things I like. Let me play that. I'm Mr. Jaffe, and I like a lot of things, but here are 3 things I like. Okay. Then I'm going to go to my next slide. I'm going to hit this, click the plus sign, and I'm going to go with a photo this time. So I'm going to click photo. I'm going to upload from upload photo. It's going to take me to this list. For this group of photos that I want to use, it's in my Google Drive. So I'm going to click Google Drive, and I made a folder with 3 pictures I want to use. These have to be photos you've taken or videos you've shot. I don't want anything off the internet, okay? So I'm going to grab this first one here and click open. And this photo is bigger than what it's showing here. So let me click once it's done thinking. I'm going to click the little pencil here. I guess it's still thinking. Okay, click the pencil, and I'm going to zoom out so I can get more of the photo in view. Okay, well, you know what? I want to get rid of those sides, so I am going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead. Now remember, with this microphone, you click and hold, and then when you release, after you're done talking, you release the mouse button. Okay, so click. One of the things I like is to swim, and then I release my mouse. Okay, and so now that slide's ready to go, and it's 4 seconds long. Right now, we're going to do another one because I got 3 things. So I'm going to click photo, upload photo. It's going to take me right back to where I was. It's got memory. It's a joke. It's a computer. It's got memory. Okay, let's take the next thing. And wait for that pencil to show up so I can make a quick edit, because I can see that I need to zoom out on this as well. And we would just wait for my internet connection to catch up. There we go. I want to zoom out, so I can see the whole thing. There we go. All right. And I want to say another thing I like is teaching digital media. Let me do that again. Another thing. Oh, darn it. Okay, let's try that again. Wait till you see 1 second before you start talking. Okay. Another thing I like is teaching digital media at Paramount High School West Campus. Okay, so now I got that. I'm going to click to add one more slide. I'm going to go to photo, upload photos. And I'm going to grab this last one now. And I'm going to zoom out on my new surfboard. Finally, I like to surf. And here's one of my newest surfboards. I also collect surfboards because I surf. All right. And then finally, we want to do a conclusion, which is going to have our portrait trace. So I'm going to click the plus. I'm going to go photo, upload photo. And now I need to scroll up till I can get to my files on my Chromebook. And I'm going to go to my images. And I'm going to look for my trace. I'm going to look for my trace. There's my portrait trace. Click open. And I think I'm going to zoom in a little bit on it. And I'm Mr. Jaffe, and those are 3 things I like. Thank you. All right, and so there we go, right? You decide what you want to put as dialogue, but that's just what I did. So now I'm done, right? And I want to go download it. I want to download it here. So I'm going to click this thing to download. Okay, I guess it's still thinking. All right. Oh, preparing for, okay. So let's finish doing this. It's preparing the video for download.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, so it looks like it just downloaded. And hang on one second. And it looks like I put it in my file, so I'm going to go here. Well, actually, now I'm going to go, once it's downloaded, I'm going to go to the assignment. I'm going to click Submit, and that's going to take me to Files. And if I click Videos, it's not here. It's not. Oh, yeah, it is. There it is. I'm sorry. It's right there. Silly me. I'm staring right at it. All right. So here's the video you would click to upload. All right. And that would conclude this assignment and therefore this training video. Good job on doing this work.